Most AI website tools gives you code, but then you still have to figure out where to put it, how to install it, whether it breaks your site, and actually make it work inside your WordPress website. And this is exactly where Elementor's Angie tool is interesting, because Angie is not just another AI chat tool, it is built for WordPress inside WordPress. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why Angie is different, how it works, and how you can actually use it inside your website workflow. So instead of asking a random AI tool for code and then implement it into your WordPress site, Angie actually understands the environment you're building in because it is built for that. So Angie can help you with custom Elementor widgets, small interactive features, admin snippets, little visual apps, and other useful custom elements for your site. So essentially, Angie is Elementor AI website builder that helps you build directly inside Elementor. So we're going to do just that right now. We're going to start testing it out and see how it can help us. So to do that and to use Angie, you just go to your WordPress dashboard, and once you install it, you will have it right here, and you have home, snippets, or settings. Once you click on it, it activates and you will be able to use it. And it asks you, what would you like to build? An image reveal menu, a theme slider, accordion, publishing activity widget, a custom post type, or you can browse more ideas. Let's sign into Angie to make everything work perfectly. There we go. And you can also describe what you want to do. So it is really simple. You can do it. You can use it for Elementor widgets. For example, confetti button, display events along a scrollable timeline, a theme slider accordion, or you can browse more ideas, as you can see, a pricing table with a toggle. This is interesting. We have the pricing table as a draft. So it created the thing that we told it to create with a monthly or yearly thing that we can edit and then publish. So it created what we told it to, and you can publish to live as well. For the slider, it created our hero banner slider just by itself without us having to do anything. You can add background images for it, and it looks really, really nice. And this took really, really little. It didn't take that long to create because Angie did it for us. So as you can see, we have everything right here. You have the slider that you're able to use really easily. So Angie inside Elementor is helping us build a real code with AI and implement it into our website directly. That is then very easy to edit with Elementor. So they work hand in hand, and it is a tool that you must use for your business. If you're a website designer, if you're a freelancer, if you're a business owner that just doesn't have the time to create a widget from scratch, you can use Angie AI to do this inside Elementor. It is so easy to do, so effective, and it is honestly a tool that you will want to try out as a web designer. So make sure to check it out at the link below or get the Angie features inside Elementor 1. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos every single week. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!